So we got 12 riders today, and I love riding on a weekday, and it's amazing. People that can ride out on a weekday, that's the best thing ever. It's not a lot of traffic, it's not bad at all. So we're about to have our little safety meeting because we have a bunch of new people that we've never ridden with before, and safety first. Oh yes, that's Bill, but Bill knows our safety. Yeah.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Is known to be a little choppy in the lake area, the open area. So if you ever want to just come out and ride or practice riding, or just even just hang out, Taylor Lake, and then you go into these back areas, it's pretty nice to hang out. It's usually smooth also. I lost my hat because I lost my gloves, so I was like, oh, you I lost my hat and I didn't see it float, and I turned around, this dude's wearing it. So here's Boondoggles and a seafood place. Now they have some really good pizza over there, and oh look, they have jet ski docks. I think those are jet ski docks, but they're working on the dock, so not sure if it's a great time to be coming over here. All right guys, remember when I was showing y'all that they took away that restaurant that was right there? Well, this is the progress they've made on building the new bridge. So we're over here right now on the outside of Kemah, and look how flat it is right now. Super flat. So we may be able to make it to Pleasure Pier because maybe we'll be hauling ass today. Let's go ask April real quick if she wants to, what does she want to do? Look at her get ready. She's always ready, camera ready. Hey, so do you think we're gonna make it to Pleasure Pier today? Are you down to go? Have you been?
I've never been on the water.
Oh shit. She's never been, but then I get everybody. right now.
One hour later.
How much is it per gallon here? $2.30? That's a good price. Really good price. The sun has came out to play. I was hoping that we were going to have a little bit of an overcast, but it doesn't look like it. I had to jump in this water because it is hot as hell out here. Now we're off to Palapa Island. Oh, we got Donnie came out.
11 minutes later.
Dang, you just keep on making him. Why do you keep on making him go far?
I didn't have no ball.
Yeah, that close. So guys, we've stopped at Palapa Island. Y'all have to check out this place if y'all are ever here in the Texas City area. It's really nice. You just launch at the Texas City dike and just come around the dike, and you cannot miss this island. And you see people come out here, barbecue and everything. Yep, and chill out, enjoy the sun. 170 comes in Polytech, but the Pro is, dude, it holds up. So we're done here at Palapa Island. We're going to be heading to the sunken ship so they can see it, and then we'll be going through the cruise terminal area. I'm giving you a view of how easy it is to fill up. See, and you don't have to lift anything up in the air. Yeah, it's 9 feet. You like it? Go on and jump from there. It's 20 feet right here. 20 feet. Y'all have seen in a couple of my videos about this sunken concrete ship. I mean, it was used to transport oil, and it hit something in Florida and caused a big old hole, and they tried to fix it, but they didn't need to fix it anymore. So this is where they buried it, basically. We're gonna be heading back to Clear Lake. Maybe I'll still be able to get a bushwhacker. We weren't able to go to Pleasure Pier because the time's running out and the swell started picking up. So enjoy the ride. Guys, so a lot of people always ask, how easy is it to use these cans? So super easy. All you got to do, instead of just lifting it up, you just sit it on your lap, get it all ready, remove the cap to your gas tank, and then pour the nozzle, put the nozzle in there, and just push this lovely button right here. Well, and that's it, and it's just pouring. And you just sit here and chit chat the whole time and wait for it to pour in, and that's it. That's how easy it is.